Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Recipe Gallery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Recipe Gallery is a digital cookbook and recipe manager designed to help you save, organize, and access all your favorite recipes in one place. The app allows you to import recipes directly from websites, scan them from magazines or handwritten notes, and even type them manually. It supports categories, tags, and a built-in search function so you can quickly find what you're looking for. You can also create shopping lists, meal plans, and sync your recipes across devices. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users love Recipe Gallery for its clean design, easy importing process, and the flexibility it offers in organizing recipes. The drag-and-drop organization, cloud backup, and ability to add photos make it feel like a personal, customizable cookbook. It's especially helpful for people who collect recipes from multiple sources and want everything in one simple app. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users have reported that the web import tool doesn't always capture recipes perfectly, meaning a little manual editing may be required. There's also no real-time collaboration feature, so it's less convenient for households wanting to share recipes or meal plans together. Additionally, while the one-time purchase is cost-effective compared to subscriptions, updates and new features may feel limited compared to bigger recipe platforms. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Recipe Gallery app may be worth using if you want a personal, organized, and easy-to-use digital cookbook to store all your favorite recipes. It shines in simplicity, customization, and offline access. However, if you're looking for advanced sharing, automated recipe imports, or constant new features, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.